When I change over my rock tumbler, believe it or not, it's actually pretty simple. I can show you in less than 5 minutes how I get this switched over every single week so I can always have a new batch. You'll first need to gather some basic supplies. I use 2 or 3 recycled bags, an old kombucha box, a strainer, and of course a little bit of extra water. I usually go ahead and use some rainwater because I have that handy, but you can use whatever you like. Just the important part here is not pouring this stuff down your sink or drain at home because it is literal rock sediment. So I line the box with 2 bags and then unscrew the top of the rock tumbler. I then go ahead and pop the seal on the rock tumbler and then dump the container and all of its contents into the strainer that I have laying across the box. I just find that this certain combination works really well. You're gonna go ahead and rinse these things with some rainwater, and then you can go ahead and examine its contents. I try to decide what pieces will stay, what pieces will go back in, and what pieces will go all together. I always throw in a few rocks that we find on our adventures and any bottles that we happen to go through during the week. Then the box immediately gets bagged up, sealed, and thrown away in the regular trash. When that's all done, then I can just fill up the tumbler again, about halfway, with whatever contents I like, add water, reseal, and put back for the coming week.